Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an important feature in Aconex, how to send a confidential letter via email. This is a great way to ensure that sensitive information is only seen by the intended recipient within the organization. Let's get started. We are in the Aconex system now. Go to the mail menu. From the mail menu, select blank mail. This opens up a new draft mail. New. Now I will choose the type of email we are sending. It's going to be a letter. Once that's it, go to Options menu, click on it, and you will see a box of choices appear. Make sure to check that box, Send as confidential mail. After checking the box, you will notice that the word confidential appears at the top of the email. This is how you know the email is set to be seen only by the intended recipient within the organization, not by everyone on the system. I hope you found this tip helpful. It's a small feature, but it can really streamline your workflow in Aconex. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.